Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You need iPadOS 26 and multitasking enabled. This ensures the system supports split view behavior. First, open the dock with a quick swipe up, then drag the app you want on the left into the center of the screen. Next, pick the second app from the dock or app library and drag it to the right edge until a pane appears. This creates split view. You do this because dragging defines the two active windows and lets iPadOS allocate screen space dynamically. Once both apps are present, adjust the divider to set the ratio you need. Moving it left or right changes each app's width. You can press and hold the divider for finer control, which helps when you need exact proportions. To switch one app into slide over, drag its top handle down and float it. This frees screen space while keeping the app ready. Also, use Stage Manager or add a new space if you want separate split view configurations for different tasks, so you can switch contexts quickly. To finish, make final size adjustments and save the setup in your workflow. Drag the divider fully to close one app or tap the multitask menu to choose full screen. If you want the same split view later, open apps from the dock or use App Exposé to pick specific windows. If split view won't engage, try force closing an app, restart the iPad, or toggle multitasking off and on in settings. This fixes most glitches by resetting the system's window management services.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.